Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And first method, when you see the automatic repair screen, so click on advanced options and go to troubleshoot and then advanced options, troubleshoot, and then again click on advanced options. Then click on command from, okay. Then type boot rec space slash fix mbr and then hit enter, okay. Then type fix boot, then this is the next command, okay. Then hit enter, okay. Then type boot rec space slash scan os and then hit enter. Then next boot rec space slash rebuild, bcd, okay. It is done. Then close it. Then again click to troubleshoot advanced options, then again click cmd command from, then type chk dsk space c column space shift space slash r, okay. Then hit, then we will scan the fixed disk error, okay. So it will start and it will take some time, depend about your system configurations and your ssd speed. Once everything is completed, then restart your system. Your system should be boot normally. If this video helped, like, share and comment, and comment fix. Subscribe for more videos Windows fix. Now you can see the fourth step, it's working. This is third step, this is second step, and this is the first. So this is the last 9%. Now it is completed. Then close it and then click to continue. मैंने एक दिन बोला उसको